Have you ever wondered what a motorcycle manufacturer in China looks like? This is Bashan Motorcycles, a small engine manufacturer based in Chongqing, China, with over 23 years of experience crafting quality motorcycles, ATVs, and more for global markets. And this is Teddy. He's the manager for the motorcycle and ATV section of Boschan. He'll be showing us around their facilities and giving us some insight into Boschan's future. And they even let me test drive some of their vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. How long have you guys been in business? I see here it says 2002, so have you guys been in business now for 23 years?
Yes.
How much of your product, how many motorcycles and ATVs do you export?
Actually, our main business for the motorcycle exporting. Really, for 20 years experience for exporting.
But the most common one is the street bike?
You cannot say, depends which country. Europe market, our main product for exporting is ATV.
Oh, really? What about like the US or Canada?
For my company, we are not successful for these two countries.
One of Boschan's biggest markets for their ATVs is Europe, while their motorcycles are primarily exported to Latin America. Boschan is constantly innovating to provide new items for their clients. They've launched first-gen electric motorcycle that can reach speeds of 130 kilometers an hour and travel up to 260 kilometers on a single charge.
The big demands coming in the future.
You want to be ready for it?
Yeah, we're ready. We're full of experience.
Yeah.
To have this technology.
You'll be leaders in the market.
I hope so.
So these brands, these companies will have you guys manufacture the bikes and then put their own spin on it or a logo and everything on it?
Yes.
Teddy says that customization is a major selling point for Boschan. They offer OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer Services, meaning they produce bikes and ATVs that companies can brand with their own logos and names. This allows businesses worldwide to import parts or complete vehicles and assemble them locally, often to bypass tariffs or meet specific market demands.
As a brand, as a logo.
Okay, AK Motor.
And also we promoting this brand in Milano as our high-level products.
Okay, that's a very small bike. Yeah. Domestically, Boschan markets their own brand, AK Motor. A highlight is their small, affordable bike priced at just 2,800 renminbi, which doesn't require a license to ride in mainland China. Wow. Ooh, this thing just boats along. She hauls. I mean, I'm not like Bella, maybe, 190 pounds. This thing's just taking me for a ride. Open it up. There's no speedometer or anything on it. Brum, 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 brum. Boschan recently invested $3 million to upgrade their factory with a smart assembly line, which enhances safety, reduces the need for labor, and allows longer operating hours. They even have a live streaming section within the factory, broadcasting on popular Chinese platforms like TikTok and RedNote, giving customers a real-time look at production and quality control. Their motorcycle and ATV factory here in Chongqing employs around 380 people who work 10-hour days, 6 days a week. Everything is so clean and organized.
Yeah. You have to do, factory you have to do organize.
Now when you guys assemble, like I've never been in a factory before, so when you assemble, I understand you guys have many different models.
Yeah.
So do you mainly just set it up for one model, you do a whole bunch of that same model?
Yeah.
And then you'll switch next week or next month to a different model?
Exactly.
Okay. Do you guys make your own chassis?
No, from suppliers.
Okay.
We not only have one supplier doing one part. We have One part, we may have 3 or 5 suppliers.
Okay.
Different suppliers.
Bashan's production facility is capable of producing up to 400 motorcycles and 100 ATVs every single day. Their lineup includes a wide variety of vehicles, ATVs, UTVs, three-wheelers, street bikes, off-road bikes, and even electric sport bikes. Beyond motorcycles, they also manufacture generators and agricultural tools, great for the do-it-yourselfer. So these models that they're currently making for the motorcycles, they're for Tibet. So all this order is going to go to Tibet region. All these ones will be going to Guatemala, all these black models here.
Okay.
How do I get his job?
Doing well.
So these ATVs are heading to Spain. In one order, what's the biggest amount that you've had to produce?
More than 10,000.
Oh, 10,000?
Yeah.
Wow. As I made my way through the factory, just the sheer amount of ATVs and motorbikes left me speechless. They went on for as far as my eyes could see. Each vehicle will be tested for safety and quality before it is shipped out to fulfill any order. And now is the time that I've been waiting for. I've always loved driving four-wheelers and could not wait to test one of these models out. I'm riding the ATV and it makes me feel so free. With the wind in my hair, I don't want to stop. Driving up and down, please let me find some ground that I can rip up. Teddy then took me for a walk around their factory grounds where he showed me the housing for employees. They even supply them with a soccer field, a full basketball court, and 2 hard surface tennis courts. I'm told there's an office cat, so we have to go seek this out. Oh, look at this little fella. Hey, ni hao. Ni hao. To sum up, Bashan Motorcycle is a dynamic manufacturer with a diverse product range, strong export markets, and a clear eye on innovation and customization. Their ability to adapt from traditional petrol motorcycles to cutting-edge electric bikes, from mass production to OEM branding, makes them a key player in the global motorcycle industry. So thank you very much for having us here.
My pleasure.
It was great to see your factory. Thank you very much for your introduction to this whole process, and look forward to you having much fortune in the future.
Thanks. Keep in touch.
Will do. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye now.
Bye.
Thanks for joining me on this inside look at Bashan Motorcycles. If you want to learn more, check out their official website at chinabashan.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Brum, 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 brum.